Hello everyone. OSM Release 1 is now available, and with it we have a new website and we also have Twitter presence. So the first thing I'm gonna do is just start following. Okay. And I'm gonna also tweet. Good. Okay. And now let's give a try to OSM Release 1. Okay, this is opening as the wiki. And here we have an schema explaining how OSM is connected. In this schema, we see that we are using one interface to access to the user interface. A second interface is the one that provides connectivity to the VNFs, and a third one is the one that connects to the VIM. What I'm going to be using is this other schema that is a simplified version where the OSM only has one interface. This same interface is the one that I will be using to access to the user interface, and the one that is used to also to access to the VIM. What I have for this video is two virtual machines. One of them is a plain Ubuntu 16.04, that is the one that I will be using for installing OSM Release 1. And the other one is an OpenBin that is already installed and configured, and I will be using to deploy an scenario later. These both machines are connected in the same network, and I'm also providing external connectivity so I can access from here to show you the graphical interface. Okay, so here we have how to install from source. My virtual machine meets these requirements. I have, as I said, an Ubuntu 16.04 ready. And what I have to do is to configure the LXD. Okay, so I'm gonna open. I have exchanged credentials, so I don't need to type any password. Ubuntu at OSM for OSM video. Okay. And here, okay, so let's do the initialization. Okay. Okay, yes, okay, yes. Yes, accepting the default values, but I say I don't want IPv6. Okay, so LXD configuration is ready, and now we can proceed to SM installation itself. So what we have to do is to download the installer. Okay, make it executable. Okay. So this is gonna take a while, so I'll resume the video once one is had finished. The installation process has just finished, and now we are gonna test that we can access to the user interface. Okay. Okay. So let's go back to the instructions, and next step is adding VIM accounts. As I said before, I have already installed an OpenVIM, that is the one I'm gonna use. I will also add the other two VIM accounts, one for OpenStack, another for VMware. But during the instantiation of the network scenario that I'll do later, I'll use OpenVIM. The reason why we have to add the VIM accounts is because OSM will be using them to actually deploy the network scenario to instantiate the final virtual machines. So we have to enter to the resource orchestration container. And now we are gonna add this OpenVIM. Okay, I created the OpenVIM in this same IP, so I can keep exactly using the instructions from the wiki. Okay, it's attached. And now if we do a data center list, we should see it. Okay, it's added. We exit the container. And with this, we will be done adding the OpenVIM site. What I'm gonna do next is to add an OpenStack and a VMware just for your reference. So I have to go again to the container. Okay, export again the tenant. Add the site. Attach it. Okay, so the OpenStack will be ready. And now let's do the same with the VMware one. Attach it. And now if we do a data center list, we should see the three ones. Okay, here they are. Okay, so now let's deploy our first network service. Here it is. What we want to do is just to deploy a network service that includes two VNFs that are two zeros and are connected among them. And we need to download the packages. So, okay. And the last thing we have to do is to upload the VNF image to the VIM. This is because the package that we just downloaded has the description of what image has to be used, but we have to upload into the VIM itself, the image. So, okay. We create in our repository a directory for the source image. Okay. We download the image, and now we will have to run this instruction in order to add the new image to the open. Okay. And here we have our uploaded image. Now it's time to add to upload the packages to OSM. So let's go to catalog. We want to upload a VNF package. Great. And the network service. Okay, both of them are having uploaded successfully. If we just double click in the network service descriptor at our package, we see that it's composed of two VNFs that are the two zeros and these are connected through a network. Okay, and if we go to the VNF package and we open it, we see that the VNF package is only composed of one VDU, that is the zeros itself. It's the virtual machine. And now it's time to instantiate the network service. So let's go to Launchpad, instantiate. Okay, next, instance name, open main site, launch. Okay, so we have it running. And that's basically all. I hope it was useful for you, and I'm happy if you can try the OSM Release one.